thing in the morning. And I just woke up. I slept 12 hours. So I'm feeling pretty good about that. I'm about to wake my parents up. They don't know what's up. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I put my phone in there. I'm controlling it with my watch. I put my phone near their bed. We just got off a, what, 14, 15 hour flight, and we're in Australia. So windy. Right now we're at the Sydney Harbour Bridge. My dad's complaining because I just made us walk 30 something
back
minutes.
this way.
You're done watching the bridge?
Yeah.
What are we doing next, Mom? Are you going to the bridge? We're trying to decide if we want to walk the bridge. I think those people right there are bungee jumping. I've already bungee jumped once in my life, so I don't need to bungee jump again. It's kind of like one of those things. I think it's only a one-time thrill. I don't think I would get a thrill out of doing it again. Back to the hotel, because we still haven't taken a shower in like 2 days. Because we landed this morning early. Still have not taken a shower. We're trying to figure out if we can go ahead and get into our room because we're ready for a shower. Let's get ready. Waiting. Better have good news. So update. Our room is still not ready. Right, Mom? So now I guess I don't know what we're going to do. What do you want us to do? Who's that? Sound. I guess we might go see what's going on at the Opera House and if we can see anything, possibly tonight.
What? Yeah, like you just swallowed a canary.
We finally got our apartment hotel, so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a tour real quick because I feel disgusting and I want to take a shower so bad. So here's a little quick overview of an apartment style hotel in Sydney. Here we go. When you first come in, you see this. We actually have a kitchen and all that fun stuff, even though we're only staying, I think, like 1 night here, so we won't even get to use this. And then you go out here. This is actually an old cotton warehouse that was converted into this. So then here we have a washer and dryer, which is amazing. And then out here, just this big open area with a desk, all this junk. And trees are in the way, so you can't see anything. It is also about, what time is it? 1:37. There's my mom right there. So I think we went a little too big because the rooms, there's only 3 of us and we have three beds. So my parents have their own room and then my room has 2 beds. And then we have, right here, we have a downstairs. So this is just the top floor right here. And then you go down, I should take my bag with me when I go down. And then you go down these stairs right here. And then you get to my room. Nothing special. You can see out here though. Out here, it's really cool out there actually. I just have 2 twin beds. Nothing too fancy at all. And then out here you have the hallway. Then you have one of the restrooms in here. And then my parents' room in here. Yes, give me an airborne. And then there's another bathroom in there. So we're going to the Sydney Opera House tonight. Are we? I don't know. We're trying to figure out if we can get tickets to this Beethoven Beethoven show that they're doing, but it's at 5 o'clock and it is 1:39 right now, so I don't know if that will be possible. And then what else did I say that there was? Yeah, we haven't, wait, is this 2 days? I don't even know what day it is. Hey Dad, come here. What up? Nothing in there, nope. Nothing. What is in there? Premium coffee.
What time? Well, how do we have to dress?
I don't know.
Well, I might have to wear all black.
Alright, let's go, parentals. We have successfully booked tickets to the Sydney Opera House to hear music by the wonderful Beethoven, performed by, I forget. But we're en route right now.
Upstairs, you think?
Come on. Side note, it is only
Need to turn that heat back just a little bit, Cheryl.
3:44 here, and it feels like it's midnight. And I don't even know what time it is back home whatsoever, because I'm 18 hours ahead. We're at the Sydney Opera House right now, trying to figure out how to get in to see the symphony. And it's so windy outside, my hair looks a mess. Alright, we found the box office. We just finished. Guys, word to the wise, if you're behind 18 hours on sleep, you probably shouldn't go and listen to classical music because it's very hard to stay awake. It was amazing, but it was a struggle. It was a big time struggle to stay awake in there. Now we're just trying to figure out something to eat, and then I think we're going to go to bed because it is 7:10. So it's time, right? We have officially called it quits. I'm exhausted. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.